pull this red back and you push on this, okay? Then you pull it out on 1. So now I'm going to rotate it all the way to 8. See what that does, if it makes it slower or... Yes! You see it? Whoop, whoop, whoop. And then that side hasn't been done.
End of the production.
So welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm turning my indicator lights sequential. Now magically you don't need to buy the whole what's it called, man, the lights for the facelift one, and no coding is needed with this. So these are, as you can see over there, LED retrofit dynamic yeah, whatever, okay? But pretty much these are supposed to just add on to your already existing lights, and then they are, I think it's got like a dial here. I'll fuck with this, see what it does, see if it makes it faster, or that's at 1 and then that's at 8 over there. So maybe that's a delay of how many, we'll see it anyway, okay? But the first things first, one of these is going back there, one of these is going over here, okay, on that side. Okay, now this is gonna be tricky. Now I'm gonna have to get in here and try and show you now. Let me get the flip screen out. We are dealing with it right over here. Right, so first thing, take that off, okay? Take this off and there will be, I'm gonna try and get this on camera, okay? Just for you. Oh, you fucking cunt. Oh, there we go, beautiful. Let me zoom in there, just like that. And then you can see it. See that red thingy there? You see that fucking... Come on, focus, you fucking bitch. It's because I'm too fucking there, bro. This is a shit housery. You know what? One sec. Right, I'm gonna get the proper angle here, boys. I'm going for it. Because the camera is too near, so it's just blurring. Get to the fuck. Get back. Okay, get in there. Ah, there we go. Now I've got room. Now I can see. That red one there. You see him? See him right there? There we go. It's very hard to see it, but it's in there, okay? What it looks like is right here. So all you do is pull this red one's already out, okay? You pull this red back and you push on this, okay? Then you pull it out, right? And it'll come out, and it's very hard. Let me go. Let me take it off now. Right, so this is what it's looking like, okay? Now, what happens now is obviously you can't connect this one to that one. It's not gonna go in. It's like, well, so this one goes into your light, and then this one over here goes in to this. And let me just see, that way, that at the bottom. Just go like this. Beautiful, just like that. Come on, and there we go, just like that. And you push that red. Oh, actually, I can show you what you're actually doing to the light. Okay, see this red one? Come on. I'll try to do it with my left hand. All you're doing is pulling this back, and then you're pushing this, and that will I use my feet. You see? Magic. Okay, that's all you're doing inside there. It's very hard to teach what I'm doing, but so I'm gonna connect this all. That goes to that in there, and then obviously you're just gonna hide your wire. And then I was gonna leave it open because I want to see what this actually does, if it makes it slower or it's some sort of delay, but maybe actually let's just see if it fucking works first. Okay, now that is all connected. Now obviously we're gonna have to hide this wire, but I want to see what this delay does. Right, so let's see, baby, let's see what you're doing. Is it? Alright. Yes! You see it? Whoop, whoop, whoop. And then that side hasn't been done. Look, it's sequential, yay! Now I just want to fuck with it to see what it actually does, because it's on 1. So now I'm going to rotate it all the way to 8. See what that does, if it makes it slower or maybe a bit smoother. Ah, okay. So if you put it on 8, it's exactly the same as that. You need to put it on 1. It's a delay, that one. That rotating thing. Put it all the way to 1. There we go, baby. Fucking beautiful, boy. Beautiful, baby. Oh, you can see it both. I'll stay right here so you can picture it. Wow, wow, that's just normal. It's sequential. Now, oh, actually, let's see if it leaves any errors, because it said it wouldn't leave any errors. Turn the car on. Hold up, let me put my ghost in. Beautiful, mate, no fucking hell. And we have no errors. That is fucking beautiful. That is beautiful, mate. No errors. So no coding needed. No VADCOM, you don't need to pay someone £100 fucking to code shit in. Buy that, I'll put it down in the link description. And you'll have sequentials. Obviously it is hard to see, but it is whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Fucking sick, mate. Beautiful. I'll do this one off camera because very hard recording one hand. But thank you for watching. I shall see you in the next one. I'll put this down in the link description. Yay!